Today we are making a milk container cake. We are going to bake a vanilla sour milk cake. We're going to use a recipe from Den Dairy. You will need 2 eggs, 1 cup of sour milk, 2 cups of self-raising cake flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of cooking oil. Sieve your flour into your bowl. Add the sugar to the flour and mix. Make a well in the center and add the wet ingredients. Mix very well until smooth. Pour mixture into baking dish. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. I must say my texture wasn't as good as the cakes I saw in the comments from where I took this recipe. I am going to post the link to the recipe in the description box below. So here we're using half of the milk container as our mold. We are applying melted chocolate to our mold in layers. Here I was allowing each layer to set in the fridge before adding another layer. I was also holding the mold in my hand as I applied the chocolates. I think that in there presented a problem, and the unmolding process resulted in that. So I had to redo the process. So the second time around, I didn't hold the mold in my hand as I applied the chocolate. I also didn't place it in the fridge in between layers. The setting was nice and even throughout the mold. Trying to be as careful as possible over there as I unmold. Nevertheless, the handle part broke. Adding the cake to our mold. We're going to use melted chocolate to glue our halves together. So there was a gap there between the two halves.